Hello everyone! I recently placed an order for some silver bullion coins, and I thought you might be interested in checking out some of them in this unboxing. We just received a package here with the coins. Again, that's just the inner package. Not going to show you the outer box. I've already taken it out of there just to avoid showing you a bunch of personal information there. But hey, not only do I stack some silver for myself from time to time, I'm regularly buying some silver and gold bullion. It's just part of my coin business. In fact, if you need help with your next bullion purchase, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd be happy to help you out and help you find exactly what you're looking for at the best prices. For this particular order here, I just wanted to acquire a few silver coins, the 2025 dated World Silver Bullion coins. I like to get these for my own collection each year, but I also get them for my local coin club, the Glendale Coin Club here in Southern California. Our club meets the second Friday of each month, and you can watch many of our previous club meetings that we held here on my YouTube channel if you'd like to check those out. So let's go ahead and get this package open and see some silver. And I'm going to finish cutting this open with some scissors here, right here off camera, so I don't totally cut myself. Well, maybe we can get a little bit on camera there. That actually went right through the tape super easy. No bleeding yet. Go ahead and get that peeled open and see what is inside. There's some coins there. There's a couple there. And maybe another one there. All right, let's see what's inside. Let's see what I actually ordered, if I even remember. These are tougher to get open than the outer package sometimes, but let's go for it. This here is the 2025 Australia 1-ounce silver Kangaroo 4/9 fine. They've had these, I think 2016 might have been the first year they did the Kangaroo. There's Charles III. Beautiful silver coin. Oh, just bumped my camera. This one here, another Charles III. 2025. And this is going to be the Canadian Maple Leaf 4/9 fine. All right, let's check out the next package. This one here is going to be the Austrian Philharmonic from 2025. 1-ounce silver. Popular design. And one more in there. Oh, I forgot I ordered this one. The South African Krugerrand silver. 2025. Cool. And last but not least, should be two more in this one. There's one, and there's the last one. All this is sticking together. There we go. This one here is a 2025 Perth Mint Australia Silver Koala. Beautiful. Charles III Australian Perth Mint makes such beautiful pieces, don't they? Nice. And then, of course, we got another one from the Perth Mint Australia, the 35th anniversary 2025 Kookaburra. These are really cool. And glad we were able to get one. So, altogether, we got 6 1-ounce silver coins that will be available at upcoming coin club meetings of the Glendale Coin Club if you're in the area. Let's get these under the camera. Yeah, really cool. Glad to get these. And, again, 6 different world coins, silver, 1 ounces from 2025. Let me know what you guys think. Which one of these is your favorite design? I'd tell you mine, but then that's probably going to maybe influence you. No, it won't. I like the Kookaburra the best. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys around YouTube. Bye-bye.